Morning, afternoon, evening is a really quick video today. Today is off topic, not a passive income video, but talk to you how I'm using some growth stocks to make more passive income in the future. So stay tuned and pay attention. All the news right now is about Tesla and Virgin Galactic. Both run by two billionaires. Two billionaires. All right. Richard Branson, Elon Musk, doing their thing, and they're trying to be game changers right now, here and now, today, in your lifetime, not my lifetime, not your lifetime, but all of our lifetimes right now. They are doing incredible things, are disrupting the industries, just like Apple disrupted the industry years ago, just like Microsoft disrupted the industry years ago, just like Intel disrupted the industry years ago. Elon Musk and Richard Branson are trying to do the same thing today in your lifetime. So this brings back to FOMO. Okay, a lot of people don't want to miss out, fear of missing out, but you've got to be careful if you decide to get in. I'm gonna give you my take if you want to get in, and which one I would pick if I were to start investing today. Both stocks are overvalued, you could say, but they do have a lot of potential. Okay, I got into Tesla. I shot a couple videos on Tesla before. Currently with Tesla, I'm up 192%, over $21,000. I mean, that's a lot bigger portion of my portfolio than I like it to be. My idea of when I buy a non-passive income investment, I like to not look at like 5%, 10% increases. I like to look at 100% gain. If I can get 100% gain off of an investment like that, that's like a win for me. That's a huge win. All right. Tesla's already blown that out of proportion. They've almost doubled that already, and they probably will in a few more months. But I bought some more shares recently, so that maybe lowered my cost basis down a little bit. But I mean, that really changes the whole dynamics of everything. I mean, it can make you it violates a lot of principles you may have. You may want to sell at a certain point, buy at a certain point, but things like that will violate principles if you do have them. All right. But if you're in it if you see the vision Elon Musk is trying to do, and you see where he's trying to go, and you see all the analysts coming with these crazy predictions. I mean, you've seen Kathy Wood talk about 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, price range, and I've seen like $15,000 price range for Tesla. I mean, that's unbelievable. I mean, that is crazy. But because of that, that's why I'm not selling. And plus I see Tesla has so much more going for it right now. Tesla is, going crazy, has so much potential right now, and that's one reason I'm not going to sell it right now. Maybe one day in the future, but today's not the day. One note I did read about, Tesla Cybertruck. There's 500,000 pre-orders for Tesla truck right now. There are 500,000 pre-orders for the Cybertruck, and it's only been a few months already. It's only been a few months, and there's 500,000 pre-orders for the Tesla Cybertruck. I mean, that is crazy. All right. This next one, okay, if you want to get involved, I encourage you to buy Space. Space has so much potential going for it, and they're still doing, a lot of testing still. They're coming up with their earnings call in just 6 days from now. 6 days from now, okay? So I only see this stock going a little bit higher. I only see the stock going a little bit higher. It's $32 right now, $32.95. I'm up 69% with this stock. So I'm feeling pretty happy with myself. I made a good call. I bought it when it IPO'd. First of all, I bought it again when it was in the $9 range. That's the second time I bought it, and I mean, there's so much going for this company as well. I've seen reports saying this could be the next Tesla, and different market, of course, but nobody knows. But Space has other competitors out there, and I saw something. Jeff Bezos, he's trying to do the same thing with his rocket ship. He's trying to get his rocket ship out, launched, pretty soon. So, I don't want to get too off topic, but real point is, Space I think has a lot more potential to grow, and it will grow because Space is still doing a lot of testing at this moment. Another reason the stock has gone up recently is because they moved everything to New Mexico. A lot of things going into Mexico. Their headquarters in New Mexico. They're establishing everything over there, getting everything more set up, more built up. And everything is going to work out great. And this is going to be a good thing for Richard Branson, his company, a previous company I bought, Virgin America. It got bought out. I bought an IPO, of course, and it got bought out. Alaska Airlines bought it out, and who knows what could happen with Virgin America? I'm sorry, with space. The same thing may happen. I don't know, but right now Richard Branson is enjoying this. I read a couple of his books before. He's a smart guy. He knows what he's doing, and he wants to make some change. He wants to really rock the boat, rock the system, and that's what he's trying to do. Same things Elon Musk is trying to do. They're both trying to rock the system. All right. But now the whole key point for me investing in these two stocks, these two non-passive income stocks, is because once these things go up a certain amount, I'm going to use that and push it back into passive income, because that's how it is. Anything with passive income, you've got to, a lot of things you got to have money to get paid off passive income. You can't just go and say, hey, I want to earn passive income. Usually you have some money to push it into those systems, push it in these stocks, push it in these investments, and once that happens, you'll have passive income coming into you. You'll have passive income coming into you. So that's what you got to do. Sometimes you got to have some money, push it into something that's going to grow, and maybe once it reaches that point when you can sell it and push it back into passive income. All right, so that's really what I'm trying to do with these two stocks, and I'm pretty happy because they've done incredibly well over this past year. Not even just the past year, just the past few months. Because Tesla started taking off, late last year. It's hitting rock bottom, and it was just not doing the best at all. So, I really didn't want to go too long today. I just want to give you a different spin off of what I'm doing with my money and what I'm trying to make money as well to push it back into passive income. So, but hey, I really want to keep it short, right to the point today, and give you a lot of value, something for some of you to think about as well. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. But hey, if you're invested with Tesla or space, drop a comment below. Other people want to know. And so I wouldn't buy Tesla right now. If there's a dip in the market, I would buy Tesla. Space, I encourage you to find a good entry point for you if you want to buy space, because space is going to do. I can see it hitting $50 this year. I honestly think it's going to hit $50 this year. I'm not doing any research, any guesses, but I think $50 is probably a good price point, and it's only going to go a lot higher than that. All right. Hey, leave me a comment below, but take care. Have a great day. Come back again this Friday for another passive income video.